everyone! Today we are going to talk about the central idea of an informational text. So we're going to be using the book that we read yesterday, A Kid's Guide to Friends, again today. So let's start with this orangey box. It says topic. So every informational text has a topic, and a topic is the person or thing that the text is about. It's what the whole book is talking about. Then you have a central idea, which is the most important idea or point about the topic. The central idea is what the author or the person who writes the informational text wants you to take away from the story. It's what he wants the reader to learn as they go. So it can be a statement or a sentence about the topic, but it's what the author wants the reader to learn. Then at the bottom here we have supportive evidence, which are details, facts, or examples in the text that tell us about the central ideas. So we kind of talked about this yesterday. The pictures can be evidence, right? Those support the central idea, that's supporting evidence. The text, little details like the label headings, all of that has to do with the central idea of the story, and so it supports it. So let's go ahead and move on to our book. A Kid's Guide to Friends by Trey Amico. Remember, Trey Amico is our author. That's who wrote this. Kinds of friends. A friend is nice. A friend likes to be with you. A friend makes you happy. Who can be your friend? A classmate, neighbor, grandma, sister or brother, dad or your mom, and a pet you have, like a cat. So, what is this part of the text about? So if we go back and look at this label, it says kinds of friends. So this page or pages are about different kinds of friends that you can have. So what evidence helps you understand that? So if we look at this label right here, it says kinds of friends. That's what the page is labeled. And if you look at all these pictures, there's all different kinds of people who are all friends. Look, they're all happy to be together. So that's how we know that this part of the text is about different kinds of friends. Fun with friends. Friends play. Friends can be silly. Friends like to be together. What else can friends do? Run, dig, ride, read, jump, laugh. The best times are with friends. Make new friends. School is one place to find friends. Look around. Be brave. Say hi. Ask someone to play with you. Be fair, take turns, say sorry if you make a mistake. Cheer each other up. What else do good friends do? Smile, wave, listen, share, help, play. Try to make your friends happy. So, what does the author want you to understand from reading these two pages? From reading the text, it shows that the author wants us to know that it's great to have friends, and it's great to be a good friend and give us ways to be a good friend, right? So which details help you figure out that that is a central idea? So the words say it feels good to be a friend, right? The photos show friendship and having fun together. So we know that it's great to be a friend and it's fun and we get to enjoy other people. So we all want to be friends, right? That's the central idea of this book. It feels good to be a friend. Let's be friends. So, as you read more books or you practice reading today or whenever, remember that there's always a central idea. So be thinking about that as you read and understand what you're reading about and what the author wants you to learn. All right, thanks for reading with me today, guys. See you later.